and Cameron and Gary can be making these assemblies that me and Jacob are going to be needing once we're on the side track. This is we have these brackets that are being added, and since they're self-tappers, it's so much nicer to do these on the ground rather than us doing them up in the air.
Okay, now you can lift.
Gosh, that thing's not right. I'm worried about it dropping while I'm. Oh, there it is. Cool.
Yeah, nice.
Heck yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like that one. This one's not heavy, it's just very long.
All right, hold on. We got to get it over that strap.
Oh boy. Love your brain. Oh, Jacob. I got it. Mine.
Now what?
It's pretty heavy. It's funny. This is 40.
40
feet?
It's actually longer. Because of the pitch.
Yes. Man, I guess you could try it.
That's good.
Okay.
I'm going to throw a clamp on.
Yeah, please. Not mine. Okay, mine.
You're on it. It's just the angle, yeah. I think you'd be able to just like pull it off. Here, you can leave the bolt in.
I'm trying to, but it's not.
No, he's saying that you can.
Yeah, we just tap this guy on top
Oh,
of it.
okay.
Yeah.
Ready, Nathan?
Yep.
I go your way an eighth and then?
Yep, whatever you got to do. Get yours and then I'll adjust on my end.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm just not seated very nicely up here. Is there a trick?
Just try and get the washer on for now, just so that we don't lose this connection, and then we'll deal with that next.
Done.
Okay.